Good morning children, have a nice day. Welcome back to e-learning children. Today I am going to teach you question answer from first prose Earth the Desolated Home. But before going into today's topic, I just want you to recall last session's topic. In last class we covered choose the correct answer and also fill-ups. Come, let's recall it. First one is choose. Life found on other planet is called alien. Some people believe that there might be life on Mars planet. I don't live on moon but I live in Earth. The person who travels to space is an astronaut. The scientific observer of the celestial bodies is astronomer. These are the 5 choose we learned in last class. This is fill in the blanks. First one, the man destroyed the earth. In the earth, we get water from rain. And third one is, in Mars, 687 days make a year. Fourth one, you don't need spacesuit and also oxygen cylinder in the earth. And fifth one is, fruits, vegetables and water in the Mars are not real. These are the 5 choose and 5 fill up we learned in last class. Today I am going to teach you answer the following questions. First I read out all the 6 questions. Okay, there are 6 question answers in this first prose. I am going to read it out children. Listen carefully. First question, what is the setting of the story? Second one, name the vegetables harvested in the vegetation hub. And third question, what is a soul? How many souls make a year? Fourth question is, how water is produced in Mars? And fifth one is, in this story, what happened to the earth? Last question, what should be done to save the earth? These are the 6 questions given from the first prose, Earth the Desolated Home. I hope you understood Earth the Desolated Home lessons very clearly. First, I explain you some of these questions children. First question is the setting of the story. Where does this story took place? Do you have any idea? Okay. And second is name the vegetables harvested in the vegetation hub. They are asking some of the vegetables which has been harvested in the vegetation hub. And then how water is produced in Mars. How does water is produced in Mars? Already we learnt it in our lesson also. Okay, we move on to fifth one. In this story, what happened to the earth? What happened to the earth in this story children? Okay, we move on to sixth one. What should be done to save the earth? How can we save the earth? These are the 6 questions. This is the first answer. What is the setting of the story? This story takes place in Mars planet. So, life on the Mars is the setting of the story. Is it clear children? This story explains you about life on the Mars. So, this is the setting of the story. So, life on the Mars is the setting of the story. We move on to second question. Be careful children. Concentrate and study well. I hope you clearly understood these topics. Do you have any doubt? Please clarify with me children. This is second question. Name the vegetables harvested in the vegetation hub. Carrot was harvested in the vegetation hub. Yes. There is an argument between Grandpa and Arivamati. Grandpa tells that carrots, vegetables and fruits are not real. So, the vegetable harvested in the vegetation hub is carrot. Very good children. Carrot was the vegetable harvested in the vegetation hub. Yes, very good. As Grandpa tells, vegetables, fruits and water are not real in Mars planet because he missed Earth planet. So that there is an argument between Grandpa and Arivamati. In that argument, they mentioned this vegetable name carrot because they harvested carrot vegetable in their vegetation hab. So carrot was harvested in the vegetation hab. And third one, what is a soul? How many hours make a soul? Soul is a Martian day. Soul means a Martian day. A single Martian day consists of 24 hours and 39 minutes. So 24 hours and 39 minutes make a soul. So what is soul? Soul is a Martian day. In normal day, we have only 24 hours. Whereas in Martian day, we have 24 hours and 39 minutes. So, soul is a Martian day consists of 24 hours and 39 minutes. Okay, is it clear, children? Come, let's move on to fourth question. How water is produced in Mars? How water is produced in Mars, children? Yes, very good. Water is produced in Mars by burning fuels. Only by burning fuels, water is produced in Mars. Whereas the main source of water in Earth is rain. We get water naturally from rain. Whereas in Mars, water is produced by burning fuels. This water is not real. As Grandpa said, water is not real in the Mars planet. Is it clear? Fourth answer is water is produced in Mars by burning fuels. Okay, and fifth one, in this story, what happened to the earth? What happened to the earth in this story, children? Yes, human has been destroyed. In the story, the earth had been destroyed by human beings. Human beings had been destroyed the earth. We learnt in first fill in the blanks, no, that only. In this story, the earth had been destroyed by human beings. Let's move on to sixth question, last but not the least. Sixth question is, what should be done to save the earth? What should be done to save the earth? What can be done, children? First one, we should stop using chemical fertilizers. We are using lots of chemical fertilizers. We should stop using chemical fertilizers so that we can save the earth. This is the first one. What should be done to save the earth, children? Yes, very good. We should stop using lots of chemical fertilizers because chemical fertilizers may affect soil and also some of the plants. So, we should stop using chemical fertilizers. As of now, I revised first 6 questions from Earth the Desolated Home prose. So, today your assignment is you are going to write test upon 6 question answers which I revised in this video. Is it clear to you, children? Now you are going to write 6 question answers as a test. Please concentrate and do it well. Your response will be considered for FA marks. So be careful with your homeworks. Complete your assignments and submit it as soon as possible. Children, I hope you understood all the 6 question answers. And now it's time to write your test and submit it within today's evening. Okay, children? Thank you for your support and thank you for your support, parents. You are going to write first 6 question answers from the prose 1 which I revised in this video. Is it clear? If you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp me. Thank you, children.